Good day, everyone. Who here want to be a follower of Jesus Christ? Some believers think that after they accept Jesus Christ and are baptized, that's all they have in mind, and they are full-fledged followers of Jesus Christ. And if you want to be a disciple, there are sacrifices that you have to make for the sake of Christ. So our theme for today, the cost of following of Jesus Christ, found in the book of Matthew chapter 16 verse 24. It says here, "Then Jesus said to his disciple, if anyone desires to come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross and follow me." So the question is, how to be a follower of Jesus Christ? First point is surrender your whole being. Found in chapter 16:24 in the book of Matthew. It says here, "Then Jesus said to his disciple, let him deny himself." Again, Jesus said, let him deny himself. So Jesus said that if you want to be his disciple, you must deny yourself. Deny yourself, what does this really mean? It means that we are willing to sacrifice our whole being, our thoughts, emotion, and action. Denying ourselves is surrendering ourselves to Him, that let God control our lives. And we must accept, prefer, and seek the will of God. Just like Peter, when he decide to follow Jesus Christ, he abandoned the boat that full of fish. And that kind of decision is like another level of decision, because that time when Peter decided to be a follower, his boat is full of fish, but he decided to follow Jesus Christ. Number 2, endure suffering. Jesus said in verse 24b, and take up his cross. So when Jesus said, take up his cross, what did he really mean? It means that you have be willing to endure whatever circumstances comes into your life. Willing to suffer for the sake of Christ, even if you face death. For example, just like the other disciple did in the days of Jesus Christ, they experienced persecution, they experienced mocking. Even Jesus Christ experienced that kind of suffering. He experienced mocking to other people. He experienced that kind of suffering. So this is what happened if you follow Jesus Christ. You will face persecution, hate from relatives, mocking from your friends. So if you have decided to follow Jesus Christ, you expect that this all suffering comes into your life, and have faith that Jesus Christ is in your side always. Number 3, to have faith in Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ said in 24c, He said that, follow me. So when you start loving Jesus Christ wholeheartedly, your action will flow naturally. As the disciple of Jesus Christ, our ultimate primary goal is to be like Him. Deny yourself like Jesus. Endure like Jesus. Live like Jesus. So as I conclude this message, if you want to be a true follower of Christ, we must deny our whole being and let God take control of our life. endure suffering, persecution, and hatred from other people for the sake of Christ, and live like Jesus. As we follow Jesus Christ, let us ensure that our way of life is connected to our faith. So that's the message for today. God bless us all.